Hello there guys, welcome back to the e-bike repairs YouTube channel. My name's Darsh and I take apart and fix very fun and exciting things. This is a Mycle Seat Post Battery. This charge port is not where it should be. Sorry, discharge port, that's the charge port. Just there, this is the discharge port, and it's not where it should be. It's supposed to be in there like that with a lock ring on the back, but the lock ring has fallen off. So I was going to try and fix it. Now, I don't know how to fix it, I don't know what I need to take off, but I'm about to find out, and I'm hoping I can do it without the saddle coming off, and I also, because there's always more, hope I can do it in the next 5 minutes, because I've got a customer coming. Right, I see 2 screws there, 2 screws there. That'll bend out of the way, nice. Let's undo these 2 and see if we can get to it then. Maybe this panel here will come off. Are you in frame? Oh, look at that, you're in frame. I'm good at this, aren't I? So there's 1 screw there. It's Phillips head, little screw, like that, like a, what's that, ½ inch, ¼ inch, something like that. And then a second identical screw. Uh-oh, that was the charge port cover. And then hopefully, oh look at that, it just pops off. Oh, that's nice and easy. Fantastic. Lean that up there, and then that can go like that. And the plastic locking ring just there slides on over. Now you don't really want to put your fingers on there because those exposed contacts will short out on your fingertip. Not that it should go through your skin because it's sort of low voltage, but to be on the safe side, I would recommend not. It's nice. This is an easy fix. Well designed. Whoever makes these batteries for Mycle, well designed. Don't think I'm going to get that on there on camera, because I think the thread's a bit messed up. I'm going to struggle. Yeah, I'm gonna struggle. I'll cut back. Anyway, I heated up the hot glue gun, ready to be able to just pop it, but I'll have to cut back. Okay, I did it. It's done up. It's a bit corrosion on there, but I can clean that up. I'm just going to apply, oh, there goes my finger, hot glue all over that to make it all fit. Thanks very much for watching. If this helped you, please feel free to like, share, subscribe, comment, become a channel member, whatever you fancy. Bye-bye.